In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the section breaks. We use the section breaks if you want to have different header and footers for different pages. So we will start from here now. This is our page number 1, this is page 2. Now I need to have a different header for page 1 and a different header for page 2. So I will put the cursor here. Then you go to Layout tab. Under the Layout tab, you can see the page setup group. Here you click Breaks and Section Breaks. We have next page. So we have a section break on this page. Now we can come down here and click here again, breaks, and next page. So we have a section break here also. So we should have a different header for page 1, page 2, and 3 and 4. Now we can go to insert and then we go to header. We will choose the first one. Now if you look here, you will see it says section header section 1. Here it says header section 2. So this header and this header can be different. Similarly, you can have a different footer for both these two pages. But section 3, we have it on page 3 and page 4. So both of these will have the same header and same footer. So we will try to add the header here. Let's say we can have section 1 header. Now when you type here, you can see that all of these are section 1 header, but we can change this one. How? Now once we come here, you will see on the design tab it says link to previous. It means this is linked to the previous page. Now we need to remove this link. So we will click this. Now this page is not linked to the previous page. Similarly, when we come here it says link to previous. So we can remove this one so that this is not linked to the previous page. Now this is our section header 1. This one we can type here 2. Now you see this one did not change. Similarly, we can have the footer also. Now this is section 1 footer. This one can be section 2 footer, and this one can be section 3 footer. Okay, now you can see that we have here section 1 header, section 2 header. Here we have section 3 header. Similarly, we can have the footers also, different footers. Same thing we will have to do. Section 3, here we can come and say link to, we can remove this one so that it's different. Similarly, we can come to this page and say remove link to previous. Now we can have different footers also. So this one we can say section 1 footer, this one can be section 2 footer, and this one can be section 3 footer and section 3 footer. Now we have section 1 header, section 2 header, and section 3 header. You can see that. So we will close this, and now if you have a look here, you can see we have a different header for different pages and different footer for different pages. So like this you can have different headers and footers on the pages you want to have.